Hi, guys. It's Mrs. King. It's actually Sunday night. It's Super Bowl Sunday, getting ready to watch the big game. Go Chiefs. You're watching this video on Monday, February the 8th, and I'm here to go over this week's spelling list for the week. And I've got our poster that I'm going to pull up here that will kind of explain the rule that your words have this week. Here it is. This week you have words that end with these four endings. We've got L-E, E-L, I-L, and A-L words for the week. When you read those kinds of words, there are some different syllable patterns that you see over here on the right. Vowel consonant and then a consonant L-E. You can kind of see how they've related that to the word huddle. Vowel consonant with a consonant vowel at the end, like tonsil has a O-N vowel consonant, and then a consonant vowel on the other side of the syllable pattern break, S-I. Okay, and then we have words that are a little bit shorter. They may just have in the first syllable, a vowel end, and then after the syllable break, a consonant vowel consonant, like a B-E-L, label. And then vowel consonant, as in the word travel. You don't have to memorize all those different rules, but those are just different vowel and consonant combinations that may help you as you're learning how to spell this week's words. Now, we have what's called unaccented final syllables. That just means that when we have a word like huddle or tonsil, label, travel, the second syllable is not the stronger syllable. It's the first syllable that's stronger. So we say it a little bit with a little bit more enthusiasm or a little bit more energy. So in the word huddle, you can tell that I said the first syllable a little bit stronger, huddle, and the second syllable kind of was a little quieter. That's what they're talking about when they say use the word unaccented. Okay, so all of these four patterns of L-E, E-L, I-L, and A-L are usually the unaccented syllable, and they're usually the second syllable. Okay, they all have that sound of ul. They all sound the same, even though they're not spelled the same. Most of the time, L-E and E-L are going to be the most common ways to spell that ending, and I-L is the least common. And words with an AL ending are often adjectives or nouns, and we'll see some examples of that here in just a minute. So I'm going to click off of that poster, and let's go to your list for the week. Right here it is. I've gone ahead and assigned your activities for this week, week 24. We're in benchmark week 21, unit 21. Okay, as you see, as I read through the list, you're going to see these different endings that we just talked about. I'll read them out loud and you can pay attention to how they're spelled. Fossil, novel, label, vowel, whistle, hospital, shovel, pencil, pupil, kennel, cancel, camel, journal, signal, final. So we have a lot of those. We hear that ul sound at the end of every one of those words. Again, they mentioned that words that end with an AL are usually adjectives or nouns. For example, like hospital, that's a noun, that's a thing. Also, journal and signal are nouns. They are things. Final is an adjective, so like the final moment or the final ending, something like that. Okay, so that those words kind of follow that rule that you just saw. Other than that, I think it might be helpful to sort these words into groups and study them that way. It might be helpful to write out your words through the week and get to know kind of some of those patterns. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher, and have a wonderful week. Remember, we are in benchmark unit 21, but it's week 24 of school.